Hello Omni friends, hope you are doing well. So today I am going to review this Boroline and Patanjali Borosave cream. Actually Boroline versus Patanjali Borosave cream. So if you want to know more about these two products, then please keep on watching. Part Boroline retails for rupees 55 and you get 40 gram of product, and Borosave from Patanjali retails for rupees 40 and you get 50 gram of product. So this is little cheaper than this one. Of this product, the shelf life of Boroline is 3 years from the date of manufacturing, and shelf life of Patanjali Borosave cream is 2 years from the date of manufacturing. So if you see in the shelf life, this has 1 year extra shelf life compared to this one. Boroline comes in this tub pack as well as in that tube pack, but the tube is having some metal texture, so when you twist it, it gets cracks and the products come out from that small cracks and cuts. So I don't prefer that packaging. I like this one because it is quite sturdy, travel friendly, and it has this screw cap, and here is the cream, and you just need to take out little bit and apply it wherever you want to. For some people this might be little unhygienic, but I'm okay with it. And this Borosave from Patanjali comes in this tube packaging with it, which is quite sturdy, and this is the usual packaging of Patanjali product. So yeah, this is quite sturdy, travel friendly. It comes in this screw cap and you have to just press it and the product will come out from this. This tube comes in this outer pack. All the details, everything which is on the outer pack is there on the tube as well, so you can just throw it, you don't worry about anything. Packaging wise, I like both of them. So yeah, 1 point each. It works as a night repair cream for skin, and it soothes, smoothens cracked healed, softens chapped lips, and cures minor nicks and cuts. This Boroline one, and the Borosave from Patanjali works in the same way. It helps to cure minor burn, cut, wounds, and cracked foot. So both of the cream works similar. Show you the texture of these two products. First I will show you this Boroline one. This is the Boroline, and this is the Borosave from Patanjali. If you look at this stage, both of these looks like a very thick cream, but when you blend it, this Boroline is having a very thick texture in it, and it takes little bit more time in getting absorbed in the skin, whereas this cream Borosave from Patanjali is easy to blend, easy to spread, and when you just touch it with the help of the finger, it gets warm, the product gets warm, and it is very easy to blend it out, and it is very easily within within a minute it just get absorbed in the skin. And yeah, when it get absorbed, both of the cream leaves a little greasy texture to the skin. So I suggest you not to apply any of these creams in the daytime and go out, because they are little sticky in nature, and if you go out after applying it, you will attract a lot of dust and you will end up having breakouts. Feel is this Boroline one is good if you have very dry skin or flaky skin, then use this one, because this is little thick and it moisturizes the skin better than this one. And if you have very little dry skin, or because of the season change you get a little dryness around the nose or anywhere on the face, then you can go for this one, because this is little lighter than the I like the result of both of these creams. It depends when I want to use this one and this one, but basically I just apply it at the night time only and not in the morning. Use it on both of the creams on my face, and none of them has given me breakout, so this is thumbs up for both. These are very good. You can give any of these a try. I like both of them. This is pretty much for this video. I hope this review will be helpful to you. If you have any suggestions, then please do let me know in the comment bar, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.